Hello divas! I hope you're not getting bored with all these goodies. I'm having a fun time. I hope you are too. Today is 16 Zexane for the Advent calendars. Don't forget to check all the links in the box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a free boost to the channel to get it in front of other diamond painters and other people who like Advent calendars, I guess. All kinds of fun things for painters and crafters. Okay, let's get into today's goodies. Daphne's diary. Which one are we opening up today? There's a 16. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this one's tight. Daphne is so creative, and I love her magazine. Let's see. Can you hear? Can you hear all the soldiers marching along, ringing their bells? They're nutcracker soldiers. Very nice. It is a paper accordion of nutcracker soldiers. Now, what am I going to do with these fellows? I don't know. I could put it around the bottom of a tree. I could put them on a windowsill. I could put them on the kitchen counter, guarding a plate of cookies. That would be fun. I might just do that. And speaking of nutcracker soldiers, let's see what Arteza has for 16. Here we go. It looks like a circle today. It looks like a circle. Ugh. Oh, here we go. Ugh. It's got a desiccant packet. Hate those. And 2 wooden slices. Okay. I know on their channel they have, on their website, they have wood slices that you can do wood burning on, or you can do painting on, that kind of thing. So I wonder what they're going to have for us. It does have the bark still on it, so I kind of like that. My husband will like these. He just got a wood burning kit, so he might find some fun in that. I will share that with him, with my Santa. He has a physique that lends himself towards Santa, and it's so much fun because every time, like, we go out around Christmas time, little kids come up, tell him what they want for Christmas. He could be in his civilian clothes, and they'll still tell him what they want for Christmas and give him pages that they've colored. It's so much fun. Okay, this is Diamond Painting Creations, and oh, okay, they're fun stickers. Here we go. I know I can share these with the kids at the Boys and Girls Club, because in January I am teaching diamond art to a club of the kids. So these are just a variety of colors, and it does look like they're numbered, that each individual little pack is numbered. And let me bring it in a little bit and I'll show you the stickers. Alright. Looks like they have a sea theme. That's a cute little fish. Yeah. And if my grandkids want them, they can have them first. It's a crab. And more fish. And a turtle. Yep. I'll offer them to my grandkids first, and if they are not interested, then I'll take them to the Boys and Girls Club, because I know there are lots there that are. Alright, that's another one. So let me see what Add More Zest has for today. Ooh. Ooh. Nice little pocket. It's a zipper pouch with their diamond logo on the front. Very nice. You can keep all kinds of your diamond pens in here or your waxes. You could keep the kit that you're using to work on whatever project you're working on. You can keep that in there. That's a nice little gift. And let's see. Let's see. Diamond Painting Deutschland. Ooh. Okay, well, we got these before. A little bit different colors. This is pink, red, and green. Okay, Diamond Painting Deutschland has already given us the same style of, oh, see now this one is taped. Same style of cover minder. This one is taped. Okay. They're pretty. They're very pretty. Okay. It's more like a purple. Like a purple red. What do you think? Purple, pink, and green. Pretty colors. Very pretty colors. Or is this the red one now? Well, it's more pink. What do you think? Pink or red? What's it coming out to look like for you? Okay, so 3 cover minders. We have the Add More Zest packet. We have, and I forgot to count how many stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fishy stickers. We have 2 wooden slices. And we have, how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 soldiers. Alrighty. 20 Nutcracker soldiers. Alright. These are the goodies that came out of our Advent kits today. Oh my goodness. Can't hardly wait to see what's in there for tomorrow. Join me for more for tomorrow and check out the links down below for more for Tuesday night tea and talk for all kinds of diamond painting fun and crafty business. Alright, divas. See you later. Bye.